Now let us move to our next tool, that is go to file, info, protect document and restrict editing. So this restrict editing feature helps you to control what kind of editing can be done in your document. Okay, so let's see how it works. Okay, there are three options. Let us understand all the three options one by one. First is formatting restrictions. So let us see what is there in formatting this restriction. I'm just ticking it and then clicking on setting. In setting, we can see that these kind of formatting are allowed in this document. Now it is up to us what kind of formatting we want to allow, what kind of formatting we want to restrict. Okay, so we can simply untick whatever we want to restrict. Okay, now this is something complex process and not much useful. Okay? So we are not going to try this, but this is for your information. If you want to try, you can try. Okay, so I'm just keeping this on default. Now next is editing restrictions. So editing restrictions can be useful for you if you are a professional or even if you are in academic. Okay, let's see what kind of features are here. So there are four options. One is the first one is track changes. So let us start with the track changes. Okay, so I am editing the restrictions as track changes, which means whatever changes going to be done on this document will be tracked. Let's see how it works. Click on track changes and then third, yes, start enforcing the protection. Okay, so click on yes. Now it's asking a password. This password is required to stop the restrictions. Okay, so so we are going to start tracking the document, tracking the changes. Okay, and if you want to stop the tracking, then we need this password. Okay, now the editing is active. Okay, let's see how it works. Now I want to add a line here. You can see a bar is highlighting that I have added a line. Again, let us add one more line. The bar is increasing. Okay. Now I want to add a line in between somewhere in the paragraph. This I am randomly taking this one. Okay. Now you can see the bar that I have added a line here. Okay. Now I want to write something. Okay. So you can see that whatever I have written that is getting tracked. Okay, and I cannot change the font color here. Now let us try to change it. Let's try to make it black. Okay, it's not happening. It's saying that it is being formatted. Okay, now suppose I want to delete something. Now let's say I want to delete this. Okay, so I'm selecting it. I'm just clicking on backspace. Okay, so it is not deleted, rather it is strike through. It shows that I want to delete this. So whoever viewing this document or whoever owning this document will get that clarity that I want to delete these two words. Okay, now this is how restrict editing works. So whatever this is like, you have created a document, you have shared with your colleagues for review and edit. The colleagues have edited something and they have sent back to you, and now you can see exactly who have done what editing, so you will get their opinion, you will get their point of view. Okay, now once you receive a document, it's up to you whether to accept or reject the suggestion. For example, one of my colleague has deleted these two words, but I think that these two words need to be there. So what I will do, okay, I will accept the session, but this will activate only after stopping the protection. Okay. Now I want to stop the protection, means I want to stop the change tracking of the changes. Okay. I will click on stop protection. I will put that password. Okay. I will untick this. Okay. Here it's showing reviewing and more, keeping it as editing. Okay. So that's it. Now I can edit this document. Okay. Cool. So whatever I have done, I am just deleting this. Whatever changes been done, I am deleting those changes. Okay, so my review is done. Now deleting those changes. Now these two words are already deleted. Okay, and it's showing as strike through. How can I remove this? Click on the deletion or click on the strike through. Now accept. So it is like your colleague have given some suggestion. Okay, so you can accept or reject the suggestion. I want to reject it, so I will simply click on reject. Okay, in this way we can track the editing of document, we can review it, we can accept it or reject it. Okay, so that's it in the restrict editing.